All right, so lesson 77 is we're going to find unstated information in fraction problems. So, problem number 1. If 3/4 of the 28 students in a class are boys, how many boys are in the class? First thing you need to understand is the difference between a fraction and a number. Now, there are similarities between these. In fact, fractions are numbers, but fractions are apart, okay? So I have 3/4. That would be my fraction. My number is going to be 28. Now, I know the next thing you need to know is that the whole class is equal to 4/4. So side lesson, right over here, we have to understand what whole means. Whole means 1 out of 1, which is 1 whole class, or 100%. You can say 2 out of 2 equals 1. And you could also say 4 out of 4 equals 1. You could also say 1 million out of 1 million equals 1. You could also say x over x equals 1. All right? Anything over itself equals 1. So, if I have a fraction and it says 3/4, that means the whole class is going to be equal to 4/4. And if you subtract those two, see, that was unstated information. But you know that from this information here. Okay? You just already know that. Okay? So if I subtract, you have 4, you take away 3, that means you have 1/4 less left. There are not boys, which are girls. So you can also find out 3/4 of this. So it says 3/4 of the 28 students. The word of means multiply. So I'm going to take 3/4 of 28. Now some people are like, hey, you can't multiply that. That's not a fraction. What is it? Put it over 1. Put it over 1. Put it over 1. There we go. Okay, now we can do some cross canceling. You notice that 4 and 28 are both multiples of 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 28 divided by 4 is 7. And then you can multiply straight across. 3 times 7 is 21. 1 times 1 is 1. So 21 boys. Now we can find more unstated information here. Now we know that we started with 28. So if I take 28, which would be 4/4 of the class, and I subtract 3/4, which is, I just found out, 3/4 of 28 is 21, then that will give me 7 left over. 7 girls left over. Those poor girls. 7 girls have to put up with 21 boys. That means there's 3 boys for every 1 girl. 1 girl has to put up with 3 boys. That sounds like the ratio in my house. My wife has to put up with me, Israel, and Zachy. Tough odds there.